Hey guys, hope doing well. As always, I'm working on IR sensor as radiation detector. This is my new sensor that I am starting to test. As operational amplifier, I tried op467. This is quad channel operational amplifier. As always, also I use standard loop channels for the Cascade operational amplifier detector, and always I'm using two pots for my projects because of joining and merging 4 channels for maximum sensitivity. And here is the output. Very nice. I'm using this power cord this power bank as my power supply source, and over USB wire it is connected to the project. It means the working voltage is near 5 volt. I'm connecting the power. Very nice. And here is the sensor ready for the contaminated radiation place to test, and we are going to see after the contamination the sensor will detect the radiation as well as the Muller tube or not, because of actually I have one Muller tube assigned and ready to test with the Russian Muller tube technology. This is for USSR. I ordered eBay, and this one is the detector project. Also it is ordered online, but I'm 100% sure this detection diode will work much better than Muller tube with this size and with this configuration. Thanks for watching. We'll make more videos for the result. Goodbye.